Welcome to AI Future Tech. In this video, we're going to check out a new tool called Domo AI that generates video to video. Now, you can regenerate videos in different styles using available models in Domo AI. You can generate videos or images with various styles. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's dive in. Type in domoai.app in your web browser and then click Start in Discord and accept an invite and set up your account if you haven't already set up a Discord account. First, we are going to try a video to video. On the left side in Discord, select a channel to generate video. And then in the message bar, type in /. You can see all the possible commands that are available. Type video, press enter. Now drag and drop the video that you would like to upload. And come to prompt and explain what this video is about. A man is fighting 3 other men. Press enter. Now you can see that multiple options are given. First important option for you to look at is different types of anime styles that are available, whether it is flat color anime or Japanese style anime or live anime style and Chinese ink painting. In our scenario, I'm going to choose flat color anime style. Refer to source video more is a typical option that most of us should choose. In case if you like to have the generated video to more resemble the prompt, then select the other option. Now, as you can see, this model generates a 3-second video, 5-second video, and 10-second video. And as you can see, 3 seconds video takes 4 minutes, and also 10-second video takes 14 minutes. And this 20-second video is only available for pro users. Now click Start. Here is what Domo AI has produced. Next, let's look at using an anime to create a real picture. Type in /real, press enter, drag and drop the image, press enter. Here is the generated image, looks very real. Next, we're going to try creating an image from a text prompt. Let's type in /gen, press enter, type in your prompt. I'm going to say a lion in the jungle. Now press the model option. As you can see, there are multiple choices available. I'm going to select enhanced realistic model, press enter. Here is the image that is generated, looks very real. Similar to Midjourney, you can upscale any images of your choice. You can also create multiple variations of these images. Here is the upscaled image, looks very real. It's photorealistic image. Here is a variation that's created, looks very real as well. Now to generate image to video, type in /animate, press enter, drag and drop an image, press enter. As you can see, you can select the intensity of the animation. I'm going to select high. You can also select the duration, whether it is 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Press start. Now here is the video that is created. Now let's also look at some of the samples that's generated by the image to video capability of Domo AI. Finally, let's review the pricing plans that are available for Domo AI. The free plan has 45 credits one time, and the basic plan costs $9.99 per month, and it has 500 credits, and basic plan can generate roughly around 500 images or 30 videos. And the standard plan, which is the most popular one, it is $19.99 per month, and it has unlimited generations in relaxed mode, and it gives 1200 credits per month in fast mode, which is equivalent to 1200 images or 80 videos. And finally, the Pro plan costs $49.99 per month. It comes with 3000 credits per month fast mode, which is equivalent to 3000 images or 200 videos. Whereas importantly, the Pro plan supports 20 seconds generation in the fast mode exclusively, whereas the other modes doesn't. Hope you like this content. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.